The show must go on, it seems. The decks have been cleared for the mega Shri Shri culture event on the banks of the river Yamuna. This despite environmental damage. But is the venue really ready to deal with the thousands and thousands of participants who are expected? A civic team has told the police that the 7-acre stage set up for over 35,000 artists and visitors from 150 countries is unsafe, and that a separate one should be built for the Prime Minister and other VIPs. Remember, Prime Minister Modi is to inaugurate the festival tomorrow. And as the countdown begins, hectic preparations are underway to build a separate enclosure for the Prime Minister close to the gate, the point of exit.
The World Culture Festival getting a breather from the National Green Tribunal. While the Green Court today allowed the festival to go ahead, it's come with stiff conditions. Information provided by the applicant was incomplete, vague and uncertain, since it did not provide specific data supporting documents' comprehensive plan with regard to carrying on such huge construction. For damage caused to the environment, ecology, biodiversity and aquatic life of the river, the foundation should be held liable for its restoration in all aspects, said the NGT in its order. While the Art of Living will have to pay an interim fine of 5 crores, this amount will be increased following a full report by a committee which will assess the damage post the 3-day function.
The concern is only this, that merely because there are people who are in a position which is really high in nature, they are more powerful and therefore they can get away with the violation. How army can be called? Now, that is something shocking because army cannot be deployed in this way.
The Green Court also hauled up the Delhi Development Authority for giving permission for the event, fining it 5 lakh rupees and cautioning it against exceeding its brief in the future.
Soon after the go-ahead came from the NGT, excitement at Atmospherics have been building up here at the venue of this mega cultural fest. Behind me on this 7-acre long stage, rehearsals are on in full swing by volunteers and performers who've come from across the country. However, while the question of environment has been answered by a few penalties, the question, a more serious one, about safety of this very stage and security of those attending still looms. Precisely the reason why a separate stage now will be set up on this side of the ground, especially for Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
35,000 artists are to perform on this 7-acre stage, according to Art of Living's advertisements. The Central Public Works Department, or CPWD, which had surveyed the stage ahead of the inauguration by Prime Minister Modi, has raised serious concerns. In a letter to the Prime Minister's security officer, it said, no ground preparation for creating leveled and firm ground supporting the structure, inadequate size of base plates, resulting in excessive soil bearing pressure, non-staggering of splice joints, creating weak links, and use of corroded and worn-out pipes.
Well, I'm telling you facts on ground as of last evening. This is not the case on ground as of now. You can also verify and come back with what is happening at the moment when you're asking me this question. See, the Honorable Tribunal has taken into presumption, taking the expert committee report. They have gone ahead and said that yes, there is a damage, taking the committee report, and this damage, whatever the court is saying, we'll pay the compensation under protest, and we still stand our ground very firmly. We haven't done any damage, and we'll go in for appeal.
Well, the uncertainty is now finally over, with the National Green Tribunal allowing the World Culture Festival to go ahead. But the fact is that serious concerns have now been raised about the safety and stability of the stage on which thousands of performers are expected to perform. Can the stage be made safe before the Prime Minister inaugurates the function on Friday? That is the big question. With Sonal Mehrotra in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.